Good morning, children. We saw the lesson work, force, and energy, isn't it? Have you written your classwork? What is meant by force? Then, what are the types of forces? Okay. Now, we'll move on to the one verse objective type. Take the correct answer. Force can move a stationary object. Okay, stop a object. So by applying a force, you can move the object. Also, we can stop the object. Okay, as well as we can change its object. So force can be all of the above is the correct answer. Okay, all of the above is the correct answer. Then the second question, the force which acts in an opposite direction and slows down or stops moving object is known as acceleration. So here they wrote frictional force, muscular force, gravitational force. So gravitational, it pulls down the object towards itself, isn't it? So frictional force to walk, isn't it? So without frictional force, we can't able to walk. Muscular force to do the work. So by using the hands, isn't it? So but here they wrote frictional force, muscular force, and gravitational force. So it's none of this is a correct answer. Work is said to be done when a boy kicks a football. Work is said to be done when a boy kicks a football. If he tries to move a wall, does it move? No. Boy sleep, idle position. Boy think, idle position. So work is done when the boy kicks the ball, isn't it? It changes position. The source of energy. So water we can get the water, sun, heat, wind. So all those we can get electricity, isn't it? So we can get the heat. So the sources of all energy is heat. Okay. And answer the following question. What is gravitational force? Explain its function. What is meant by gravitational force? Explain its function. So, when we throw an object in the air, what will happen? It falls back on the ground, isn't it? So, when we throw a stone or whatever may be, it falls back on the ground. The force on the object that pulls the object towards itself is known as gravitational force. When we throw an object in the air, it falls back on the ground. The force of the earth that pulls object towards itself is known as gravitational force. THROW, throw an object object in the air, it falls back on the ground. The force of the earth that pulls objects towards itself is known as gravitational. GRAVITATIONAL, gravitational force. So children, I hope you understand. Try to write this question in your classwork note. Thank you, children.